our trip from shore to shore here in San Francisco. To Sacramento Amtrak station. So our first stop is going to be Sacramento Amtrak station, as we're dropping off a portion of our load to be shipped. So as you can see, it's estimated that we're going to be down to 41%. We're starting at 70%, and it'll take us about an hour, 45 minutes, 93 miles. Ultimately, we're going to end up in Carson City for tonight. We'll see what it recommends for charging once we get there. So as we get started on our trip, we can see how much energy we're going to be using. So I go to the menu, go to energy, click that, go up to energy. And so with Sacramento, we're starting at 76%, we should be down to 42%. Consumption projected 197 miles. We're starting at 78%, so not a full charge, but within the recommended 80%.
Is that we are in Sacramento, California, and Leo is moving out of California. So we are at the Amtrak station in Sacramento, getting ready to ship all of these items via Amtrak to Philadelphia, where we will have someone from TaskRabbit pick up everything. You guys can see here there's lots of storage room in the Tesla. You know, when we loaded everything up today, it was a lot more organized.
Setting up my first charge in Folsom, California. Stick it in. Blue. Charging. So at 31%, 25-minute remaining. This is our trip expected to Tahoe. We charge it up to 80% at the supercharger, and now we should be at 31% once we get there. We're going to stay, we're going to go to Carson City, see the state capitol, then stay in Tahoe. So we're making our trek back to
now turn left onto
South Tahoe.
Street.
Did a little supercharging in between. now estimated to get back at 64%. So that concludes day one of our trip. We started off at Lookout Point in San Francisco near the Cliff House. Starting mileage of 413 miles. And then traveled to the Amtrak station in Sacramento to unload and ship clothes and other things cross country. One supercharger at Folsom, charging up to only 80% at that time. And then we were able to do some shopping while we did that, followed by a quick supercharge at State Line Supercharger right before heading to Carson City. Now we get to sit back and relax and